Hi students, welcome. In this video we will study about how to use the scale command in AutoCAD. Here we will understand how to make this object bigger or smaller by using the scale command in AutoCAD. So students, before starting this video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the updates of upcoming new videos. Also, please like this video and comment for this video and share this video with your friends. So students, let's start this video. So here we will see now how to use the scale command. For that I am here selecting this object, now pressing SC, and that is scale, and pressing enter. Now I am here selecting the base point as you can see here, and we can drag this like this and click here like this, and also we can get the bigger picture here object as you can see here. But especially we use here, we specify here scale factors to get the proper scaling of the object, that is bigger or smaller. For that I am again selecting here this object, typing SC and pressing enter. Now I am selecting here base point. Okay, now I need to enter specify the scale. Okay, that is scale factor. Okay, so I want to double this object, so I am here select typing 2 and pressing enter. See here, this object becomes double. As you can see here, dimension previously the dimension was 15, now it has become 30. Okay, now this is the I have made this object bigger. Now I am how to make this object smaller. Let's see. For that I am again selecting this object, typing SC, then pressing enter. Now I am selecting half scale, so here for that I am typing here 0.5 as you can see here. Now pressing sorry, first I am selecting here this object, pressing SC, then we need to specify the base point, then need to specify the scale factor. So here uh, here I want to make this object smaller, for that 0.5. okay, then pressing enter. As you can see here, this object becomes half. Okay, see here, this is the dimension. Okay, so now see here, I'm using this scale command for this chart now. So I'm selecting this chart, pressing SC, then selecting the base point, and now I'm specifying here 0.5, making this table smaller. So see here, this becomes small. Now again I'm selecting this table, pressing SC scale command, pressing enter, then selecting the base point, and here specifying the I'm scale factor, that is 2. So here pressing enter. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about how to use the scale command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.